Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about the Qodosen DX-286. I just got it today. Of course, I ordered it from Amazon. Actually, my wife ordered it for me from Amazon. Supposed to be a Father's Day gift, so thank you, honey, for the gift. And, of course, I've been eyeing this radio for quite a while. Of course, the price was a lot higher than the Amazon listed price. That is the SR286, which is believed to be the same radio. This one, of course, is selling on Amazon now for $79.99 US. She paid a total of $87.09. So it is still a good price for the Qodosen. This radio is very, very highly regarded in FM and medium wave bands as a DXer, very high sensitive, radio. So let's open it up. Take it out the box. It comes with this nice plastic case, which is pretty cool. Nice, I like that. And we open this up here. We snap. Okay, snap right here. Snaps right here. So we open this up. There you go. So you got a user guide. Okay. Stuff there. Definitely got to look into the user guide. Because supposedly it is not very user-friendly in a way. Of course, the DX-286, they did, I believe there was a couple of improvements on it in terms of functionality. So we shall see about that. This is just a card and telling you some of the features about it. Let me put it out there a little bit so anybody want to pause that and read that. Okay. And, of course, we got this nice felt bag. Pretty cool. And then we have a charging cable or power cable. USB. I guess it's not USB-C. It doesn't look like it. No, it's a micro USB. Okay, I thought it was USB-C. It's not. Okay. And, of course, the radio itself. Right here, and let's get this case out the way. Put it right here. Give me a second there. Okay, so this is the radio itself right here. It is quite small. Okay, the DX-286. Let me just hold it there for a second. Okay, and it's quite small compared to the D109. Okay, so it is quite small radio. Of course, don't be fooled by the size of this radio. It has an excellent reputation of being a great FM DXing radio. Also, medium wave DXing radio. Of course, it does have shortwave and long wave. There is no single sideband on this, which I really don't care because we did not get this radio for that. So. And I'm going to hear some, hey, does it have single sideband? It's a deal breaker. No, it's we don't care about single sideband. Sorry. Okay, so there you go. It does not come with the battery. That's the other thing. I don't know whether that's the case, but it's okay. We're going to put a battery in. We're going to power it up. So I'm going to put this battery in. 18650 battery. Okay, there you go. I'm going to put that battery in there. I'm going to close the cover. And there it is. We're going to turn it on. Okay, I'm going to put on AM. And let's put the volume up. Where's the volume? Right there.
No, I mean, I get that. It's a little, at the end of the game, it's one thing as he wins and it's over. Right. I don't remember where the Yankees were in the series.
Okay.
What the day was. What was it late?
So there you go. And we got a little kickstand right there. And there you go. Let me zoom in there. And we're going to put it right there. Sorry about the shaking here. I have it on this mount. And there you go. Very excited about the radio. I will be doing reception videos on there. I'm going to play around with it for a couple of weeks. And then I will do a review on it. Of course, there are plenty of reviews on this radio on the SR version. So, and I know another YouTuber is going to receive this on Friday. Check out his channel, TV Radio 1972. He has an awesome channel. Check out his channel. I'm going to put the link to his channel in the description so you can check out his channel. He does a lot of medium wave FM DXing. He does weather band DXing. He's a frequent contributor to the chat. He's a great guy, so check out his channel and subscribe to his channel also. And, you know, I'm looking forward to his review also, but I will do my review on this radio hopefully in about a week or two. I'm going to say about a week, because from what I seen and heard about this radio, it is very awesome radio. So, okay. So anyway, there you go. Stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.